Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is a gradient Dutch pour, and I'm keeping with the same color scheme that I had done in my previous video, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I decided to do kind of a double circle going on here. So I have kind of this lighter teal color circle and then the darker teal around it. And yeah, really happy with how it turned out. I'm kind of thinking I want to try this again, maybe do multiple circles. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, really happy with the results. As always, I have an online course for this gradient Dutch pour. If you guys are interested, it's on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. I also have all my paintings and prints that are available in my Etsy shop. I think that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.